and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be looking at how we can avoid CSS conflicts via Shadow DOM CSS encapsulation. Now, Shadow DOM is part of the web components specification. It allows us to ship self-content components along with their style and isolate the component from global style while protecting the host application from styles defined inside the component. Now in this one, we'll learn how to set up a Shadow DOM and see the CSS encapsulation in action. Now setting up Shadow DOM is quite easy and we have already covered that in our previous lecture. Over here, I'll just reiterate. So here we have created the template and this template is then being used over here in our custom component using the this.attach shadow mode open, and then we are making use of shadow root.append child, and then we are cloning the template over here, and that's how it is showing up in the browser. Now in order to have styling as well for this, what we'll do is within the template we will be defining a style. Now that style looks something of this sort. So we have text color decoration overline with a font size 28 pixels. Now where exactly this is going to take place or where you will be able to see this? So we have applied this class now to slot 2, and here you can see slot 2 text goes here is coming up. Select this and inspect it in the developer console, and let's expand it a bit. So here you can see color, font size and text decoration. These attributes are appearing for this one. Now if I define the same style under the style tag, so let's copy this text from here for the moment, and if I have it over here and I define this color as something else, let's choose a different color altogether. So that's the color for this text, and in my HTML I can go ahead and apply this class over here to this paragraph tag, and when I save this, you'll notice how this is coming up. We'll learn how to create custom web components using JavaScript with a different color altogether. It's not picking up the color that we have specified for our custom component or template that we have defined. What it means is, even if I take this out and save it, you'll notice that no styling is being implemented or applied over here. It's not like if you have the styling defined within a template, it's going to affect anything that is not part of that template. So if you have a similar class name in the global style will be applied to the remaining elements, and the one that you have for your template will specifically be applied to your template only.